they leave you like they did Jesus in the Garden of Gethsemane when you needed them the most, they left? What if that's the moment that God is really showing up? Have you ever felt utterly alone? The world turned cold, your heart a stone, calls unanswered, voices gone, yet still you walk, yet still moved on. Sometimes the ones you trust the most disappear like shadows, like ghostly hosts. Their footsteps fade, their hands withdraw, and you are left to face it all. Even Jesus felt this pain in Gethsemane's shadowed lane, betrayed by Judas, surrounded and afraid. His friends fled, and alone he prayed. Mark 14, verse 50 tells the truth so plain. And they all forsook him and fled through the strain. Desertion comes, yet faith is tried. Strength is born when none abide. Your trials teach what crowds cannot see, the fire of faith, the roots of victory. In silence, in shadow, your spirit grows. Your unseen struggle prepares your rose. Though all may leave, the dawn arrives. God's hands move where your hope survives. Loneliness fades when purpose is near. Your darkest hour brings your clearest year. So hold fast, keep praying, keep trusting still. Even when abandoned, God works his will. Your season of solitude is your secret ground, where triumph is planted, where victory is found. Rise again, stand tall, step into light, for even in darkness, he is your might. Your desertion today is shaping your grace. Your broken path will become your place. Isaiah 41 verse 10 says, Fear not, for I am with thee. Be not dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen thee. Yes, I will help thee. Yes, I will hold thee with thy right hand of my righteousness. So my friend, just like Jesus felt, if you're feeling that way, this is not the end. Victory is on the way. We know what happened with Jesus.